Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce for vegetable salad. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of milk. Also, have your salt, pepper, and any favorite herbs ready for seasoning. Make sure you have a small saucepan and a whisk handy to get started on this easy recipe. Now, let's create the base for our sauce, called a roux. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in your saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir continuously until it forms a smooth paste. Cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing it to turn a light golden color, which deepens the flavor. This next step is crucial for a smooth sauce. Gradually pour in 1 cup of cold milk while continuously whisking the mixture. This constant motion helps prevent any lumps from forming, ensuring a silky texture. Keep whisking as you bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. You'll notice it will start to thicken beautifully as it heats, creating that perfect creamy consistency. Finally, it's time to season your delicious white sauce. Add salt, pepper, and any herbs you like, such as dried dill or parsley, to taste. Stir well and adjust the seasonings until it's just right for you. Once perfectly seasoned, your warm, creamy white sauce is ready to be poured generously over your favorite fresh vegetable salad. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.